Election Coalition, known as the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party, in brackets Azimio, was registered on 21st April 2022 and comprised 21 parties, namely Jubilee Party, Orange Democratic Movement, Wiper Democratic Movement, Kenya African National Union, National Rainbow Coalition, Muungano Party, Democratic Action Party, Democratic Action Party Kenya, United Party of Independent Alliance, United Progressive Alliance, Kenya Union Party, United Democratic Party, Movement for Democracy and Growth, Kenya Reform Party, Chama cha Uzalendo, Party of Peace and Democracy, National Liberal Party, People's Trust Party, Ubuntu People's Forum, Party of National Unity, Labour Party of Kenya, and the Party of Growth and Prosperity. That a pre-election coalition known as the Kenya Kwanza Alliance was registered on 3rd June 2022 and comprised 11 political parties, namely United Democratic Alliance, Amani National Congress, Forum for Restoration of Democracy Kenya, Chama cha Kazi, Communist Party, the Service Party, Tuchibebe wa Kenya Party, Farmers Party, Devolution Party of Kenya, Economic Freedom Party, and the Umoja na Maendeleo Party. That a post-election coalition agreement was entered into on 5th September 2022 between the Kenya Kwanza Alliance and 4 additional parties, namely the Democratic Party of Kenya, National Agenda Party of Kenya, Grand Dream Development Party, and Chama cha Mashinani. The letter from the Registrar of Political Parties did also convey that 5 parties had exited the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party, namely the People's Liberation Party, formerly the National Rainbow Coalition Kenya, on 6th December 2024, Maendeleo Chapchap Party on 25th January 2024, Devolution Empowerment Party on 11th April 2023, United Democratic Movement on 22nd November 2023, and Pamoja African Alliance on 27th February 2023. Suffice to mention, members, that the People's Liberation Party, formerly National Rainbow Coalition, does not have representation in this House. That the Amani National Congress was in the process of dissolving the party to collaborate with the United Democratic Alliance. That the Movement for Democratic and Growth, MDG, had initiated a process of exiting the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition, but was yet to finalize its exit from the coalition political party. That as at 11th February 2025, the Pamoja African Alliance, PA, Maendeleo Chapchap, MCCP, United Democratic Movement, UDM, and the National Ordinary People Empowerment Union, NOPEU, are not members of any registered coalition or coalition political party. Honorable members, I put emphasis on the information provided by the Registrar of Political Parties that the said 4 political parties are not members of any registered coalition or coalition of political party. It is notable that even if it was to be assumed that the 4 vacancies were to be filled in favor of the parties under which the former members were elected or nominated and their number added to the computation of the 2 coalitions, the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party would still not attain a majority of the members in the House. Honorable members, my reference to the Gazette notices relating to the election of members at the last general election and the current vacancies with respect to Banisa, Magarini, Ugunya, and the resignation of the Honorable John Badi, the current composition of the National Assembly by individual political parties in alphabetical order is as follows. Amani National Congress, 8. Chama cha Mashinani, 1. Democratic Alliance Party of Kenya, 5. Democratic Party DP, 1. Fort Kenya, 6. Grand Dream Development Party, 1. Jubilee Party, 28. Kenya African National Union, 6. Kenya Union Party, 3. Maendeleo Chapchap, 2. Movement for Democracy and Growth, MDG, 1. National Alliance Party of Kenya, 1. National Ordinary People Empowerment Union, NOPEU, 1. Orange Democratic Movement, ODM, 83. Pamoja African Alliance, PA, 3. Service Party, TSP, 2. The United Democratic Alliance, UDA, 145. United Democratic Movement, UDM, 7. United Party of Independent Alliance, UPIA, 2. United Progressive Alliance, UPA, 1. Wiper Democratic Movement, 26. A simple calculation of the cited numbers with reference to the communication and coalition agreements received from the register of political parties indicates the cumulative number of the members of the constituent parties of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party and the Kenya Kwanza Alliance as follows. Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party consists of 154 members, computed by adding the membership of the Orange Democratic Movement, Jubilee Party, Wiper Democratic Movement, Kenya African National Union, the Democratic Alliance Party of Kenya, the Kenya Union Party, the United Party of Independent Alliance, and the Movement for Democratic Growth. The Kenya Kwanza Alliance consists of 165 members, computed by adding the membership of the United Democratic Alliance, the Amani National Congress, Ford Kenya, the Service Party, the National Agenda Party of Kenya, the Grand Dream Development Party, the Democratic Party, and the Chama cha Mashinani. Honorable members, it is notable that the numbers relating to the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party are tinged by a slight element of doubt with respect to membership of the Movement for Democratic and Growth, MDG. You will recall the expressed sentiments made by the sole member and party leader of the MDG yesterday in the House, dissociating both himself and the party from the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party. However, I decline to engage in this controversy. Arising from the foregoing, the Kenya Kwanza Coalition is the majority party, and the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party is the minority party in the House. I have not received order. I still have a little more to go. I have not received any